reaching out to me on Instagram. Definitely check me out there where I post daily pictures on everything that I'm up to. And of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, let's talk about an amazing wig brought to you by divatrust.com. They were kind enough to send me this amazing wig, and honestly, when I saw this wig, I knew she had potential, but the card, as we all know, sometimes does not do the wig justice. Also with that, down below is all the information about this wig, including coupon codes. Go get those coupons, save some money, and be fabulous. So like I mentioned, so here's the card right here. It is by Bobbi Boss. I love a Bobbi Boss wig. So it's by Bobbi Boss. The style is MLF316 in LUANA. And I got it in this amazing color in F30-350. So I was like, I needed this real auburn, true almost red color. So let's, honestly, we just have to look at this wig color because I am obsessed with the tones and how it's actually done. So it's actually, you know, as you can see, it's streaked with these beautiful coppery and red colors, and it has these gorgeous curls and also this real stacked, a beautifully stacked bob, and I love a stacked bob all day long. So, and also what's really great too, it has a 5-inch parting right here, and I do feel it is slightly curved as well, which is gorgeous. So also this wig is heat safe as well if you do care to heat modify her. So the only thing I've done with her is just cut the lace off. So let's take a look at her. So she does have light, or actually light to medium colored lace right here up in the front. She has 2 little combs up here in the front and side, and then she has 1 comb in the back with the fasteners. She also has a medium cap, so she would be large head friendly as well. Take a little look inside there. She also is hand tied as well, but she's just gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. So let's just put her on. So I do have my wig cap right here in nude, which of course I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. Deal of the century, as I always say. Definitely go get that. If you choose to wear a wig cap, you could do whatever you want. Okay, she is on. I have her all fastened. I put my wigs on front to back. Here we go. And also what's nice, what I love about this wig is that this is a parting on the left eyebrow, which is the good eyebrow. So let's just move her around, get her organized. I mean, well, I barely touched her because she's almost right in place. But look at this extremely amazing, actually, let me just maybe push her. Let me see if she's really even. But she just got this amazing volume that the card like doesn't give, like how amazingly luscious this side is. And I just feel like this is almost like a super vintage, like 20s flapper kind of look with just this volume and these waves right here. I am in love with it. So, what can I say about it other than I love it? It's beautiful. Let me do a little turn so you can get the full look of her. I am just in love with her. So, of course, like I said, this is from Bobbi Boss. Do check it out. All the information is down below. I'm so excited to have it in this color because sometimes you just gotta take a chance on the card. And honestly, taking a chance did pay off. And honestly, let me know if you have a favorite Bobbi Boss wig or favorite bob wig like this with that is stacked in the back, I would love to know about it. And also, if there's any great comments that anyone could share that can help me or everyone else on their wig journey or just their journey of being amazing. Because remember everyone, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in this amazing wig, you should wear it. And of course, this is from divatress.com. All the links are down below, including coupon codes. So do check those out and reach out to me on Instagram. I honestly love to hear from you. Leave me a comment down below. And of course, we will see you soon.